Alright, picked up these neat trick little LED lights for the bug here. Here's the bug. They got a little halo light on them. They actually turn colors when you turn the turn signals on. Here, I'll go demonstrate. Here's the front of the bug. Got one installed here. And one of the old-fashioned lights. I'm going to demonstrate how bright these things are. Go in here. Hopefully I got some battery. Turn the light on. There we go. I don't know if you can really tell. Can't run a thing here, but there's the old light. There's a new light. Got these. Some people may know what this is down here. Can't really see. We'll hit the switch here. It's on the floor. This should be the high beams. Kind of hard to tell. Nice white light. There's a yellow light. Probably going to have to take it for a drive one time at night and see if it does any good. Now I'll show you what the turn signals look like. Turn the key on here. First I'll show the halo. One click down. This is the driving light. Kind of like your modern light. You can't really... tell. There you go, maybe that's better. And it's the old-fashioned one. It's got a little tiny light bulb in it. If you go down here and turn the blinker on, this is what the blinkers will look like. I think someone can tell that I'm turning now. Back the light, and this is the old one. A little bullet turn signal. Hopefully things will be nice and safe. Turn everything off here so I don't wear my battery down. And again, these were just something I picked up off of eBay. They're about $80 for the pair, shipped. Hope this was informative. See ya.